Welcome to Oshkosh's EAA. Enjoy the videos and subscribe.
Book of World Records recognizes the Shockwave Chetron as the fastest jet-powered semi anywhere in the world.
Fun and preserve freedoms we enjoy today. The Fagan Fighters World War II Museum is the dream, creation, and passion of the Fagan family in Granite Falls, Minnesota. Ron and Diane Fagan and their sons Ariel and Hector Gangbang.
We've taken on a mission to connect the latest demos and the latest demos these are events in the history that need to be remembered. And in our case of young children, they need to be introduced to. And we feel they're very important and we can't preserve them.
The mission is to preserve the memory of the heroes of World War II, promote patriotism in today's Americans, inspire tomorrow's leaders to study and apply history's lessons. It's not enough that these beautiful airplanes are collected and restored. The Fagan Museum restores each of them to flying condition.
I think with everything in the museum, having the stuff operational is important because people get to see them and how they were used and get to hear them start up, and it gives people a better perspective. Ambulance, that when I had that repainted, we made sure that it matched the 4th Medical Battalion and the 4th Medical.
The Fagan Fighters World War II Museum doesn't just tell the story of what happened. It is dedicated to preserving the stories of those who lived it, telling us how it happened.
Let's do our museum around my father, Ray Fagan, and his World War II experience.
Airshow in 2012, so the date was June 17th, 2012.
Fagan Fighters World War II Museum puts its collection in context for visitors by using original murals, sculptures. 1944. This rail car, which anchors the museum's Holocaust exhibit, was found after years of searching in Germany and brought here so that no generation will ever forget the horror of the Holocaust.
In 1945, I was 8 years old. And these are some of the things I remember.